So as far as expansion goes, we started with one Kubota dealership in Union City and began to grow into our Dyersburg facility. And over the years, adding great personnel and locations spread across West Kentucky, West Tennessee. We have made a couple of acquisitions throughout our time frame, being Mayfield and Savannah, and then have been fortunate enough to work with Kubota to pick up new territory in the Memphis metro region, as well as in Northeast Arkansas. So we've been fortunate enough to acquire the territory without making financially burdensome acquisitions. And our newest expansion into Northeast Arkansas has all happened relatively quickly, I'd say.
Pretty quick.
It's made for an exciting 10 years. And we're fortunate because we've got the great personnel and staff in place to help propel that growth.